Introducing the guitar. She's got many strings, 6 I recall. Mine is old and grumpy and full of scars, but she's ready when you call. And there it goes, it goes, it goes. The old guitar, it goes. If you try you can become a number one. Start preparing your shows. Here comes now the bass guitar. Not so many strings, still a huge roar. With no bass guitar, the song sounds bizarre, but when he comes, brings the soul. And there it goes, it goes, it goes. The bass guitar, it goes. He feels lonely when he's the one and only. In good company he glows. Now let's hear it for the drums. They work like a heart, beat by beat, like Hansel and Gretel following the crumbs. You just go along with it. And there it goes, it goes, it goes. The rhythm section goes. It could be irritating if you try to play it when your parents try to doze. Listen now the background vocals. Many different voices trying to harmonize. No matter if you are foreigners or locals, voices always empathize. And there it goes, it goes, it goes. The choir, it goes. If you're into singing, keep it swinging, and don't forget the words. Learning music is a win. Instruments you find them in every song. Some have strings, others use the wind. Also percussion goes along. And there it goes, it goes, it goes. The orchestra, it goes. You can mix the magic, rock and roll and classic, or whatever you compose. And there it goes, it goes, it goes. There it goes, it goes, it goes. Hurry up and send a message for a friend.